car alarm with flip key remote. Mitsubishi Mirage. Lock. 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 Unlock. 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 Lock. Try natin doors with sensor kung gumagana. 1, 3, 4. Ayan, siyan. Okay. Lock. Lock. Try natin yung shock sensor kung gumagana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Try natin yung auto lock and auto unlock ng alarm kung gumagana. Ayan. Pag start ng engine, naka-start. Pag start ng engine, lahat ng door locks na yan maglalak. Pag tapak ng preno after 15 seconds. Ayan, nag-lock. Ayan, naka-lock. Naka-lock. Pagpatay ng engine, lahat ng door locks mag-unlock. Patay engine. Patay. Unlock. Okay. Unlock. Okay.